So with the Diwali party full swing, it becomes really easy to just take a break out of there, come in and create an appetizer that's so simple yet so easy to create. Here I've got some broad beans or double beans which I soaked overnight. I've got about 500 grams of them. I just soaked it overnight, put it into the pressure cooker, gave it a boil. They are firm yet perfect to enjoy, to nibble while enjoying your drink. To start off, in a pan I've got about a tablespoon and a half of clarified butter or ghee. I'm just going to let this get nice and hot, and we're going to infuse this with some red chili powder. So here I've got the non-spice variant, that's a Kashmiri red chili powder, and I'm just going to allow it to stain and sizzle. As the chili infuses in the clarified butter, you have to be a little careful so that it doesn't burn. All you need to do is add these beans into it and just allow it to saute and get slightly crunchy. Just allow it to coat and allow it to get slightly crispy, sauteing it for about a minute to a minute and a half on the flame so that it just gets that glorious crunch. As this gets that slight crunch and it's getting slightly crisp, all you need to do is now season it. And here I'm seasoning it with some rosemary lavender salt. Quite a twisted take on this finger food to nibble on. A slight tossing and it's ready to be plated. All we need to do is plate this while Zia creates quite a tantrum with the guest in the house. Chili spiced beans ready to be enjoyed. No Diwali party is ever complete without some dry fruit. So here we are going to get one easy hack how to create the perfect dry fruit. Into another pan, I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of clarified butter, and you just want this to warm up that entire goodness. To that, I'm going to pair it with some turmeric and black pepper. So here I've got a teaspoon of turmeric going in. While it infuses, we're just going to add about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Careful so that it doesn't burn, allow it to swizzle and saute, and go right ahead and add in the nuts. As this has infused, in goes some toasted cashew nuts. I'm using about 400 grams of them, and just go right ahead and toss them. Play around with the color, ensure that the nice turmeric-y, saffron ochre yellow color blends with this and the pepper. We're just going to season it with the same salt. So in goes a fine sprinkle of some rosemary lavender sea salt, just to give it that burst of energy. Toasting these nuts for a good 5 minutes have given it that slight golden hue, and this gorgeous creation is ready as well. Just plate this with all the warm, comforting clarified butter as well as the turmeric and the pepper, giving it that gorgeous heat. Such simple creations to enjoy in a Diwali party where you can actually come bang into your kitchen and create them warm and welcoming. I hope you enjoyed creating these simple hacks, and I'm sure you had a great time watching my entire Diwali series. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button, and have a very happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay blessed always.